everybody, Danny here. Are you ready to go paint a real high hill? All right, get your stuff. I'll meet you over at the easel. All righty then, here we are. Okay, I've got purple for this mountain. Mainly because purple is the complementary color of this yellow, okay? And I want it to complement. Now, I put the purple on there. Now, before it dries, I just come in and I just touch the edge of it. Okay, it reactivates and it begins to flow, which is what we want. I'm going to put more water in the brush, like this, just like that. And we're going to take it right down to here. There it goes. You see, there's some light and there's some dark, and that's perfectly okay. That's what we're hoping for. Okay, and I've got more clean water. The more clean water I put, the lighter it gets, which is what I want it to do as it comes down here to those hills, just like that. And with that, we've got our purple mountain. And if I want to lighten it a little bit, I can come in with a tissue and I can just touch it like that. And that pretends that it's mist. Okay. And that's all there is to that step. See? You can do that. This is not rocket science. If it was, I couldn't do it. I barely got my GED. Okay? So, be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working on this far hill. And I don't know, maybe we might get to here, but we will get this in tomorrow. So, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with somebody, and for goodness sakes, remember that Anna and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We did a pretty doggone good job of painting that high hill. Be with me tomorrow. And remember in the meantime that Anna and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.